Hi, this is Andrea Kropp from Genius Netpreneurs, and I'm here on my Active Rain profile. I actually just joined Active Rain today, and in the process of creating my profile, I realized that most of the users that I spot checked really weren't making the most of their profile from an internet marketing perspective. So I wanted to put together this quick video to show you how you can get a little bit more bang for your buck out of your Active Rain profile. I think this will make most sense if I go through an example. Now, I'm not trying to pick on these individuals. These are just some of the ones that I happened to check out first. So here's my good friend Howard Goff. He and I were actually having a conversation earlier today about internet marketing for realtors, and Howard is the realtor who sold my home about 2 years ago. Now, as you can see in Howard's profile, he has a link to his website, and he has some information about himself. As I scroll through this, there's only one link in the entire body of the paragraph. This is a link to one of his websites, and it's given as the full URL. So notice when I put my cursor over it, when you look down here in the lower left, you'll see that that destination website is highlighted. Okay, so that's one example. Here's another example. This is one that I just kind of picked out of a hat. All right, so in this example, this realtor is using the bold type font to try to draw attention to some of the keywords in his paragraph of text, but he hasn't actually linked any of that text to any websites that he has, whether they're blogs or home searches or a Facebook or a Twitter account. So he's taken the time to bold the text to draw your attention to it, but he hasn't created any outbound links. Now, here's another example. Again, I'm not picking on these people. They were just the ones that I happened to pull up. So here's an example where the text is actually created as a hyperlink. So notice when I mouse over the College of Business Economics, when you look down in the bottom left, you can see what the destination website is for that link. Same with Western Washington University. But what are these realtors really doing? Well, they're boosting the search results for Western Washington University and for the term College of Business and Economics. It's hard for me to imagine that out of this entire page of text that those are the terms that they would most want to be boosting or sending people to from this profile. Now, further down, they have figured out how to create a word image and link that to their website. And similarly, each of these buttons also link to their website. Now, buttons are great, but Google robots can't actually read the text inside these buttons. So the fact that this is an image and not plain text is not actually helping to boost their search rankings for the term ClarkCountyExpert.com. Now, in contrast, take a look at how I've set up my basic beginner profile here. So I've used the bold type font to draw attention to some of the services that I offer, and then I've used the anchor text here to backlink to one of the pages on my website. And I'm trying to rank this website for the term Internet Marketing for Realtors because I'd like to appear high in the natural search results and not have to pay for traffic to my website. So the fact that this link sits here with this anchor text is now boosting this website for the term Internet Marketing for Realtors. And then notice that I've also used the graphical button, which is linked to exactly the same website. So whereas the reader might be more drawn to the button, the search engine spider is going to understand the text. Now, why is this important? Well, let me show you a little something about Active Rain. So Active Rain has a very high page rank, and one of the ways of determining that is through a little toolbar that I have built in here. And we're going to take a look at the Google PageRank. All right, this little report up here is telling me that the page rank for this site is a 5. Now, what does that mean? Well, PageRank works on a logarithmic scale. So if you get one backlink from a PageRank 5 website, that's essentially equivalent to having 10 backlinks from a PageRank 4 website. which is essentially equal to having 100 backlinks from a PageRank 3 website. All right, you get the gist here. So for all of you who are members of Active Rain, this is a wonderful opportunity to create the equivalent of 10,000 PageRank 0 backlinks into any of the websites that you are using in your business. You just want to include those websites in your profile and set up the anchor text correctly. I'm going to pause this video now and create a second video showing you exactly how I used the functionality that's provided in this box to be able to create this anchor text and also to insert this button linked back to my website. So stay tuned for the second video.